Welcome and let's learn about the list in HTML. Okay, now we are on our next video and that talks about list. Now what do you mean by list? So let me just put it across to you. This is like HTML list allows web developers to group a set of related items in lists. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is what the list does. Basically, there are two types of list. One is unordered list and one is the ordered list. Now I'll show you both the examples to you over here. How do we go about it? When we are talking about unordered list, so that makes UL. Okay, I'm on the caps lock. I'm really sorry for that. UL. Then I am, as usual, going to close this. That goes over here. That is your, unlisted, unordered list. Okay. Now, how do you write the list over here? We'll go down. We will say LI. LI stands for the list. And what do you want to put in the list? So suppose I say my camera. Okay, and then I'm going to close the list. So you have camera. Can you see a bullet point? So this is unordered list. Okay, if you want to put another gadget, we will go here. I will say watch, and I'm going to put, oh, I'm really sorry, I'm going to put like this. So you have watch. Suppose I want to put another thing over here. I will say list and I will say my iPhone, and again it goes the same way. It is li. Okay. Now here I have ended my unordered list. Correct. Now what I want to do is I want to go with the ordered list. Ordered list means like when you have the numbers. Suppose I'm talking about the favorite dishes. Okay. Now can you see what I have used? Instead of BR, I have used an HR break. What does that mean? Can you see this line? So if you have to separate something by a line, when you have to go to the next line, you use this HR thing. Okay, now what will I say? Suppose I'll say heading, that's my favorite dishes. Okay, and here I go and close it right away. So you have favorite dishes, and then same thing, this time I'm going to start with ordered list. So for ordered list, it is OL, right? So this is OL. I'll go down, put OL and close it right away. Now the same thing happens. Let's put LI. Oh, sorry, I'm in so much hurry. Okay, so which is my favorite dish? I will say South Indian. Okay, and close it. Close it right away. So can you see there's number 1? Okay, this is ordered list when you have the numbers written. Okay, suppose I want to put another thing over here. Suppose I say pasta, and yes, I have this like this. I want to put the third dish, and that says pizza. Okay, so I am, oh my god, why? Okay, so this is pizza. Correct. So this is, we are talking about a ordered list. This is an ordered list and this is unordered list. Here you will find the points in the bullet form and here you will find the points in this form. And this line, whenever you have to go to the next line and whenever you have to separate it like this, you have the HR tag over here. If you put BR instead of, and this is not closable tag, the way break tag was, see, there will be no line if you put BR, correct? If you're putting HR, you'll get the line. Okay. Now, in this listing, I also wanted to tell you something, and that is about description list. Okay, so I'll just remove everything from here. And now what am I going to talk about is description list. Okay, what does this description list talk about? See, description list is nothing but it supports the list of items which you've given. It gives you the description of each thing. Suppose if I say that there is a coffee, so what do you want to say about a coffee? It is like a black hot drink. So how will you go about it? Let me just put it across to you. See, HTML. Okay, I'm not putting this time in the caps lock. It also supports description lists. Okay, and what does that do? Okay, I will tell you that as well. Okay, I'm really sorry. I don't know why my computer is taking again and again the caps lock. Okay, HTML also supports the description list. What does this talk about actually? See, it is a list of terms with a description. It gives the description. That's what we are talking about. Now, how do you do this? You have the DL tag. The DL tag defines the description list. DL, that's what we are trying to say. And DT tag defines the term, the name, correct? And DD tag describes the each term. So how do we do it? Let's do this with an example and get it across. So you have the DL like this. We will go down, close it right away. That is DL, description list. Okay, now what do we have to do? We have to give the data first. So what is the data? Okay, I'll put my data as what will I say? Pink. Okay, and I am going to put DT and close it here. So this is pink. Now I want to give a description of this. So how will I give the description? It is like DD, then I'm going to close here and I will say like this. This is the favorite color of girls. Oh my God. Okay, and what is the next step which I will do? I am going to close it right away. So see, this I have written pink and this is the favorite color of girls. Okay, same way on the same lines, what will I do? Again, I will go here, then I'll say DT, that is the data, and suppose I say blue and close it over here and like this. So here it is. Then what is the description I want to give about? It is like, I can say, this is the favorite color of boys. Okay, and I am going to close it here. So see, you have the color and you have the description. So whatever you want to write, you can write it like this. All right, so this finishes about the description list, and let's go to the next video.
Thank you so much. Press on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.